Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 2555. This essential Internal Revenue Service form allows United States citizens and resident aliens living abroad to exclude a significant portion of their foreign earned income. It also provides for a housing exclusion or deduction, helping you avoid double taxation on your hard-earned money. Understanding this form is key to managing your taxes effectively while living overseas. To qualify for the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, you must meet one of two tests. The bona fide residence test requires you to be a bona fide resident of a foreign country for an uninterrupted period that includes an entire tax year. The physical presence test requires you to be physically present in a foreign country for at least 330 full days during any period of 12 consecutive months. Your tax home must also be in a foreign country. When preparing Form 2555, you will need specific information. First, gather details about your foreign employer, including their name and address. Next, accurately report your total foreign earned income for the tax year. You will also need to document all eligible housing expenses, such as rent, utilities, and repairs. Finally, calculate your foreign earned income exclusion and any applicable housing exclusion or deduction before completing the form. Once completed, attach Form 2555 to your Form 1040, United States Individual Income Tax Return. Remember, the typical filing deadline for United States citizens living abroad is June 15th, giving you an automatic 2-month extension. It is crucial to maintain thorough records of all foreign income and expenses for at least 3 years. If your situation is complex, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.